how to change the cursor on your Wix website. So there is a way for you to change the website internally in Wix with Editor X, but for ease of use, I'm just going to use an external app instead. So on your admin dashboard, on the search bar up here, let's just search cursor. Let's install this one, cursors create with effects. You do need a premium site to use this app, but once you have this app, you can create a cursor-like thing here. You can also upload your own cursor if you want. So that's the caveat. You can maybe add another cursor-like, maybe a flashlight cursor if you like. This one is free, and it'll like create this custom flashlight cursor on your Wix website. Maybe there's another one, animated cursor gluey effects. This one is free as well. You can any shapes or color. Maybe there's some other apps as well. Let's search in App Market. But anyways, I think your best bet will be animated cursor by Gluey Cells. Let's add this to sites. Agree and add. Let's open it. After that, this dashbar will pop up. Let's add this to our site. But anyways, that is how you add a custom cursor onto your Wix website. If you want the ease of use, then you'll unfortunately have to use premium and then use the app I've previously shown you, which is the cursor app. With that, you can add in your own cursor and pre-made ones as well. It's as easy as that.